Oh my goodness, it is the newness for me at Dollar Tree. Check these items out. Fabulous. All right, so Dollar Tree has the moisturizing hand sanitizer with collagen. This is called the Pink Kiwi Splash Scented. Oh my, looky cookie. They also have the berries and cream scented, $1.25. I love this. These are cute. And you know what really gets me is the glitter at the top that ain't stopped, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also have these charms for hand sanitizer cases. Look at this. Honey, they just showing out. They also have the hand sanitizer charm case. Looky cookie. This is so cute. They have like the little clip up here. Okay, like you can put this on your pocketbooks, on a book bag. Absolutely amazing. That one is the cherry one, and then they also have the heart shaped one. This is a nice. Still deals for real like Holyfield. That's all I can say. All right, honey, they coming out with new scents at Dollar Tree. Oh, child, check this out. So Dollar Tree said we definitely in a place to be. They had these guava splash wipes, the BioPure antibacterial hand wipes. 40 wipes you get for $1.25. They also have the Fig Breeze wipes, same concept, 40 wipes for $1.25. Love this. This smells absolutely fantastic, okay? You come to Dollar Tree, you want to get your hands on this. Amazing, to say the least. Oh, I would really be doing a disservice not showing you guys all the fancy nancies like this. Did you guys happen to see this? Now, this is the cream eyeshadow duo, the shimmer matte. Ooh, lights that, honey, get into this color. Ooh, they are fancy. This is $1.25. But just in case, if you like, all right, Dean, I want another color. Ooh, child, word to the mother and the brother. They also have this color as well. Just giving all the tea once again for you and me. Just look my way. You know those people who be singing and they really think they sound good? I ain't one of those. Check these items out at Dollar Tree. So I heard you folks was looking for a sale deal like Holyfield. Oh my goodness. When I tell you this next item is absolutely amazing. It is fantastic to say the least. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the Ioni, the Dolly's Adventure Lash Makeup plus the nail bar. Oh my, looky cookie. So one of the things that I absolutely love about Ioni, when it comes to like the blushes and stuff like that, they really good. So over here they have the tinted lip balm over here, really cute. And I thought this was a mascara, but this is a brow gel. Oh my, looky cookie. Honey. Okay, so we went to Dollar Tree. We seen this gorgeous. Now I know what you may be thinking. You may be like, is that mascara? No, honey. This is brow gel. Yes, and we are here for it. So of course my fancy self had purchased 2 of them. All right, so I don't have on any makeup or anything like that. I just put some moisturizer on my face, and if you know, you know. So this is the moisturizer I use for my face, honey, at Dollar Tree. $1.25 compared to Olay. Okay, you're gonna grab one of those. Now let's get into this, shall we? Now, one of the things that I noticed instantly is this brow gel is very light. It's not as sticky as some of the brow gels that I have used. And I want to say that it's even lighter than NYX, okay, the brow lift. So we're going to let this drop. Now, a few things that I do love about this is paraben free, is vegan. Okay, and just because it's vegan, that doesn't always mean that it's good. But it's paraben free, is vegan. When it dries, it is clear. I definitely love that because is a brow gel that I purchased, and when it dry, and if I was to like do like this to, you know, make sure it's pressed down and stuff like that, sometimes it like turns a little white or so. But this one, it do dries clear, okay? And you know, your brows ain't going nowhere, honey. But I just wish that this was a little thicker in consistency and just a little more stickier. Like, you know, it's sticky, but it's not as sticky as, you know, I want it. So let us know in the comment section if you guys have used this, this brow gel, and if so, how did you like it? They also have the cuticle oil. If you guys are looking for nail art pens, oh my, they have so many different ones. 3 to be exact: blue, purple, and also pink. And look at these nails. What a treat. Absolutely fantastic. If you guys are looking for the cream blush, honey, Dollar Tree has the peachy, the blossom, and also the dolly berry. What? And look at the nail, the glosses. Strawberry swirl gloss. Look at this. This is beautiful, to say the least. And then they also have primer sprays down here, setting sprays, and then they also have the nail arts as well. This is fantastic. Listen, Sugarfoot, we got a winner like chicken dinner. Check this out. Honey, when I tell you they moving, grooving, we out here just styling and profiling. Dollar Tree, did you guys see these fancy gummies out in these streets? Lucky. This is for beauty sleep. So you want to be sleeping beauty? Okay, they got the gummies for you. Now, they also have some other items as well. Check this out. They have the Glow Beauty Gummies with skin antioxidants and collagen support. They also have the Hair and Nail Boost Gummies, Hair Growth Strong Nails Biotin. Ooh, they are out here showing out. This smells absolutely fantastic, okay? You come to Dollar Tree, you want to get your hands on this. Amazing, to say the least. All right, listen, honey. You're listening, cookie. Pineapple papaya. This is the Yves St. Clair hand wash. Foam hand wash soap. This smells so good. It smells just like pineapple. Absolutely terrific. For $1.25. Oh, they are showing out. They are really movie groovy. So Dollar Tree said, move your feet to the beat, Linda. They have this collection, child. Green tea and fig body wash with retinol, vitamins A, C, and E. Alrighty. They also have the body scrub as well. And Dollar Tree must be just put this out because, honey, the people, they go a little crazy up in here. They also have the bath salts also. And if you guys are like, Dina, I don't like green tea and fig, okay? Give me something else. Okay, well, they have the roses and pony, okay? Bath salts with firming serum, collagen, vitamins A, C, and E. And I perhaps pronounced that word wrong. But you know what? That's neither here nor there. They also have the body scrub as well, the exfoliating body scrub that goes with this collection. Now, somebody decided, you know what, let me just take all of the body wash with this collection. That's what they said. They said, you know what, I'm going to come to Dollar Tree and I'm going to just take a part of this collection. And they did, you know, but that's okay. Honey, they're $1.25. Now, this, you do smell a lemon, okay? I just wish it was a little stronger, but you do smell a lemon. This is the Sugar Lemon Holly Fragrance Scented Candle. Honey, they have so many others. Check this out. So Dollar Tree also have the Star Force Serenity Candle as well. And then they also have the citrus cranberry. Oh my, looky cookie. Honey, it is the designs for me. These are amazing. Honey, marketing team, you're doing your thing like a chicken wing. Alright, so Dollar Tree is movie groovy. Honey, you want to move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets? Ooh, child. They already putting the Father's Day items out. Check this out. Dollar Tree has the Father's Day. Oh, child, the great gifts. Now, this is a 2-bag. Love this. This is styling and definitely profiling. Let's open it up, honey. So this is pretty much how the inside look. Oh, looky cookie. Your father can put the tools in here, or your husband, or your grandfather. This is nice. I like this. And honey, what really gets me is how wide it is. Really amazing. For $5, oh, we call that a steal deal, just like Holyfield. Dollar Tree has these gorgeous Dad Will Fix It. These bags, these are cute. I absolutely love this. They also have Into the Well bag as well. And look at this. Okay, if your daddy is always grilling, honey, Dollar Tree is in the place to be. You better get them this bag. They also have Going Fishing. Oh, this is nice. Now, Dollar Tree also have these gorgeous mugs over here for the awesome dads. Really, really cute. $1.25. They also have, oh, I like this. The Best Life, Dad Life. Look at the little fist pump, honey. It is the fist pump for me. They also have these mugs over here. Now, you know, green is definitely my thing, like a darn chicken wing, honey. Really, really cute. Grandpa like a dad, only cooler. I know that's right. And then they also have these little gift boxes at Dollar Tree. Really, really cute. These are $1.25. That goes exactly with the gift bags. Let me tell you something, Sugarfoot. We movie groovy out here. Check this out. These mats right here, I absolutely love these. These are gorgeous, honey. Doormats, honey. You buy the doormat, you don't be one, okay? Really, really cool. And then they also have these bath rugs. Now, they feel really good, just a little on the thinner side, but when you put your feet on here, like after you get out of the shower, and I actually like that it is on the thinner side, so it won't be soaking wet. You get what I'm saying? Like, it'll dry quicker. They have 3 different colors. They have the blue, the white, and also the gray, honey. Look at that blue. Fantastic. So you want to steal deals, drills for real? Like Holyfield? Check this out. So this drink, oh my goodness, this brand, the drinks taste amazing. And I can only imagine how the jelly snacks taste. Oh, Dollar Tree is definitely moving their feet to the beat when it comes to the name brands. This is Ocean Blue Lemonade. They also have the Southern Peach Lemonade as well. You get 4 of these for $1.25. Honey, that is fantastic. Dollar Tree is just, I mean, it seems like every day they're getting fancier and fancier, in my opinion. Okay, check these items out. Movie groovy. Dollar Tree has the OxyClean, the foam-tastic, changes color when clean. Honey, it is the cleaning items for me. Love this. These are $5. The OxyClean bathroom cleaner as well. And then they also have the scrub-free all-purpose cleaner plus OxyClean like this.